From the Apollo moon landings to the Mars rovers and the distant horizons of the James Webb Space Telescope, the pursuit of the cosmos seems almost sacred, but not everyone is on board. A growing number of thinkers, activists, and even scientists argue that it is time to rethink, or even halt, our obsession with the stars. Let's begin with the staggering cost of space research. The numbers are eye-watering. In 2024, NASA's budget alone was $25 billion. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other private companies spend billions more on their lofty goals. Globally, governments and corporations invest over $70 billion annually in space research. Critics argue that we spend billions exploring Mars, while communities on Earth lack clean water, food security, or basic health care. They see this as a matter of misplaced priorities, billions directed to space, while Earth's challenges remain unresolved. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering, costs $10 billion. While it offers invaluable scientific insights, critics argue that these funds could have been used to fight global challenges like hunger and climate change. NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon by 2025, is estimated to cost $93 billion over its lifetime. Each Artemis launch alone is projected to cost $4.1 billion. SpaceX's Starship program, aimed at colonizing Mars, involves costs that are difficult to estimate but are undoubtedly in the billions, with funding sourced partly from U.S. government contracts. Imagine redirecting even a fraction of the space exploration budget towards solving global issues. According to the United Nations, ending world hunger would cost approximately $40 billion per year, less than the combined budgets of NASA and private space companies. Providing universal access to clean water and sanitation would require an estimated $150 billion annually. This is roughly the cost of 2 decades of global space research. Space research is not just expensive, it is destructive. Earth's orbit is increasingly cluttered with debris from satellites and rockets. This clutter poses risks of collisions that could lead to the Kessler syndrome, a chain reaction rendering orbital space unusable. There are also the environmental costs of rocket launches, which release harmful substances like black carbon into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Some argue that the push for interplanetary colonization is hypocritical, questioning how humanity can justify polluting Earth for the sake of finding another planet to pollute. Billionaires like Elon Musk dream of creating human settlements on Mars, but critics see it as a form of escapism and exploitation. Critics argue that instead of addressing systemic inequality on Earth, efforts are being directed toward escaping the problems humanity has created. There are also ethical concerns about whether humanity is prepared to become colonizers of other worlds when sustainability has not yet been achieved on Earth. Critics ask whether humanity's worst tendencies, environmental destruction, inequality, and exploitation, might simply be replicated on other planets. Should we not focus on fixing Earth first? Proponents of space exploration often cite curiosity, discovery, and the survival of the species. However, critics contend that these reasons are vague and self-serving. Some believe that space exploration symbolizes humanity's refusal to confront the limits of existence. They suggest that the drive to conquer the stars stems from arrogance and an inability to focus on improving life within Earth's boundaries. For critics, space exploration represents a distraction from addressing humanity's most pressing challenges. They question whether humanity's resources and energy would be better spent ensuring a sustainable and equitable future on our own planet. Should we stop space exploration, or is it worth the cost? Let's discuss this hotly debated topic below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth explorations of controversial issues. See you next time.